Hello, my name is Kevin. Today I'll talk about network case study. So first, start from task 1. Connect to the wireless router. The first, connect admin to WR. So what I'm going to do is connect admin workstation to WR wireless router using a proper cable through the Ether port. WR will act as a switch to the device, connect to the LAN, and as a router to the internet. So now we just use copper switch through and connect it. And second, config admin to use DHCP. To use that, access the admin workstation and configure it to an address automatically. So we just need to wait for the default gateway and the DNS server. Now the IP address both have out, so we need to copy the first one, default gateway, in web browser. Now type in the one that have popped up, the 192.168.0 and 1. Now just put admin in username and password. I also use admin. Now press OK. After that, config the internet port of WR. So under the internet setup, change the IP address of internet address method to static IP. It's a static IP. Then change to IP address subname mask default gateway DNS server. So here, just change it to this 209.165.200.225, and next. Continue on, so on, with 255, 255, 255, 252, 209, 209, 165, 200, 226. Two zero nine 165 201 and 1. After all that, scroll down and you will see the save setting. Now click that. And to check if it works or not, go find www.cisco.pka. Here, just go click the, type it out. And it worked. So that is all for task 1. And I will next to my partner.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afif bin Muhammad Ali from the GDOC. In this video, I will show my work for class 2, configure the file setting, case study, and NADC. First, we need to configure the WR asset ID. Second, configure wireless security settings, and connect the wireless clients 1. So, firstly, we need to click wireless routers. And then select GUI tab, wireless. This is basic wireless setting. Firstly, you need to set network name SSID to PBU office, and then for study channel, you need to choose 6, and don't forget to disable in this 5 GHz session from neighborhood mode to disable mode. Sorry. Okay, and then we go to bottom and click set setting. If not If not, the changes before it will not remain. In this same wireless router, we need to go to wireless security. In this wireless security, we need to change to WA2 personal, WA2 personal for set security mode, and then AS for set encryption. Lastly, we need to interface phrase, which is PDUX 11001. That's all. And then we go to set setting, and last step, we need to test it on laptop one. Okay, we need to go to PC wireless, and then click connect. Okay, choose DPO office. You can click refresh if needed, and then click. Okay, we need to write the same uh, the same passphrase we write before, which is DBU 11001, and the symbol. Don't forget, this is very important, so we cannot forget it. Okay, connect. Okay, after click connect, we need to test it in web browser. First, we need to exit this site first. Uh, okay, we go to web browser. Okay, you need to type www.cisco.pkn. Okay, if this page is pop up in your web browser, it means that your your configurable setting is work efficiently. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, then there is a task tree, which there is a other configuration where you need to change the WR access password. Go to other website, you're gonna see a web browser. There is a go button in desktop beside the configure, and also between with config with and programming. And there is a go button where you can click it. Then there's gonna go some pop out where there is authorization, and they say you need to input your name and your password. So just input your name and your password. For example, your name is admin and then password, something like that. Then press OK. Then you're gonna see there's a slide which information setup, and then you're gonna see there's a lot of input there, which administration management. Then you're gonna put the router password in there, which in management router access column. And you also need to re-enter the password again. After that, you just like scroll down to the end, and you're gonna see a self setting, and there you need to input your name and your password again. That's all.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Arif bin Syatimi, and I'm going to continue task 3. Question 2, change the DHCP address range in wireless router. First, open the wireless router. And then go to setup, basic setup, and change the router IP to 10.100.80.1, and then change the subnet mask to 255.255.255.0, and then go to the DHCP server and change the last digit to 100, and the match number of users set to 50. After that, scroll down and click Save Setting. Close the tab, uh, and then open laptop 1, go to desktop, IP configuration, press static, and then press DHCP again, and done.